Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the notification sound on Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. To change the notification tone, go to Settings, and in Settings make sure you are in Sound category, and then go to Notification Sound, and now you can choose a sound. After choosing any one of them, you'll hear a preview. And when you choose one, then just click on it and go back, and you can see it's set. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.